2025 is almost over, and if you're still relying just on a 9 to 5 to become financially wealthy, you're making a huge mistake. But there's still plenty of time to build even multiple income streams that will make you $300 every day. And the best part, if you work on these smart and hard enough, you'll be making $300 a day before the year ends. I'm going to share 6 passive income ideas that are practical, realistic, and extremely scalable. None of these are magic, and yes, you'll need to put immense amount of effort into these methods, but once you're set up, they can make money while you sleep. So the first one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the fastest ways to start earning passive income. The concept is simple. You promote products or services, and every sale that you drive, you earn a commission. And in 2025, AI has made this process easier than ever. You can automate content creation, social media posts, and even email campaigns. The key is to pick high-demand products in high-value niches like finance, tech, and productivity. Once your content is live and optimized, the traffic and sales can continue coming in day after day, generating you income automatically. This is one of those methods where the effort that you put in now multiplies heavily over time. The second one is going to be print on demand. Print on demand is perfect if you want to have merch, but without the hassle of having an inventory or having to deal with shipping. You design products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, upload them to platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Redbubble, and then the platform handles the rest. And with AI design tools, you can create trendy, unique ideas in minutes. And the best part is you don't have to be a designer, and they can keep selling for months with almost no additional work. Once they're on the store, that's basically it. It's a front-loaded effort that can give you consistent income in the long term. The third one is digital products and ebooks. Digital products are a massive opportunity, and in 2025, it's easier than ever. AI can help you create ebooks, online courses, templates, or guides in just a few hours. Once they're uploaded to platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or Udemy, they sell automatically. There's no shipping, no inventory, and no ongoing overhead. Popular and evergreen products can generate consistent income, and as long as your topic is in demand, the revenue keeps coming without daily effort. The fourth one here is a little bit of a tricky one, but it's investing in ETFs and stocks. Investing in dividend stocks and ETFs is a classic form of passive income. By putting your money in assets that pay dividends, you're earning money continuously without any active work. Over time, compounding makes a huge difference, and with consistent contributions, this can easily grow to $300 a day, or in the long term, even more. So the fifth one is niche membership sites. Membership sites are all about recurring income, basically like a subscription. Find a niche that people care about and provide exclusive content, tools, or resources for a monthly fee. Whether it's investing advice, financial advice, AI tools, a well-ran membership site can generate predictable recurring income, automate content delivery, email updates, and as well as support. And you've created a system that brings in recurring income without much daily effort. So the sixth one, which is arguably one of my favorites, is YouTube automation and shorts. YouTube is still amazing for passive income in 2025. And with AI, you don't even need to appear on camera, because in 2025, AI tools can create scripts, voiceovers, B-roll, footage, and basically just automate the entire process for you. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Opus Clip, and CapCut. Focus on niches with high ad revenue and RPM like tech, finance, productivity, and business. And then you can automate using AI long-form videos. For example, top 10 Amazon finds for productivity or finance, and then cut those into shorts using Opus Clip. Once a few videos start performing, Google AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate links can easily generate $300 a day. And the best part, if you make evergreen content, a video or a couple of your videos or all of them can keep generating income one after another. But the only thing to keep in mind is YouTube can be extremely arduous and onerous, but it will be extremely worth it. And the overall key takeaway from this video is that nothing will happen overnight. And honestly, I don't think there is such a thing as passive income because there's always going to be some amount of effort involved. But with a lot of these methods, once you're set up, the effort actually goes lower and lower, and the income flows seemingly automatically. So guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Make sure you check out this video right here, and as always, thank you for watching.